Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the XOSS or XOSS brand computer / GPS on your bicycle. Released recently and it was on a Kickstarter, so I picked it up, and it's called XOSS G Plus, and it has a feature like speed, mileage or kilometers, time, gradient, automatic backlight, built-in Barometer GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and etc. And then it could also connect to your to sensors and give you heart rate monitor, speed, and cadence. So it's pretty cool, nifty. I got it for like $50 or $40 plus this. I think it was like 50 including this sensor. Now this sensor is pretty cool. The way it works is if you mount it on the pedal arm, and it acts as a cadence sensor, but if you put it on the wheel hub, then it acts as a speed sensor. There's no magnets involved, so it uses the earth as a magnetic field. So it's pretty nifty, small. So the sensor packaging includes the sensor itself, which is this, and it runs on a coin battery. And then it has like little 2 rubber pads. So a flat one like this one, as you can see here, as opposed to the curved one. The curved one goes on the wheel hub, and then the flat one goes on the pedal arm for your cadence, and then this is for the speed. So it simply attaches in these 2 little mounting holes. And it has these rubber nubs, and as is. So you just loop the rubber band around from one side and then this, and they give you like 4 rubber bands, different sizes. So 2 same, and then 2 small and 2 big, as you can see here. And now the way it works is when you activate, you have a blue light, I think, which is for the cadence, and then you got to remove the coin battery again and reinsert it, and then it'll show you red light. That's for the speed. So mine is currently set up on a speed, and I'm going to show you how you can mount it. And this setup takes fairly like 5 minutes to set up on your bicycle, unlike the other ones where you have to tighten the magnet on a spoke, and then you have to put the sensor on the fork leg, and then display it goes up on your mount, on your handlebar or wherever you want to mount it. So I'm going to show you the process here, how to install this, and you could literally see how quick this gets installed. And then the other thing here is, so let's open up the XOSS computer. Now it has a mounting bracket here, and then it has a micro USB, so bear with me. There we go, and it's waterproof. So that's the USB, and then it turns on and it connects to your phone for tracking purposes. So it turns on right now. Mine is, it's basically turning on. And yes, the firmware is updatable, so they could push up a new update through the software and you could install. So this is right now set up on speed, and then it shows cadence here, speed here, and this is your miles per hour, and then time driven and distance driven. So that's what it is. Let me turn this off real quick, and then I got this cover separately for $2, which fits fine. And then this packaging comes with the micro USB cable, 2 rubber bands. I think these are medium or large size, and then this comes with the kit I ordered, comes with the mounting that goes on your handlebar or the stem. So I already have the mount, that's aluminum mount that I previously used. So I'm not going to use this mount, and I'm simply going to use the small rubber band for the sensor, and I'm going to simply put this on my bicycle. So let's get moving. This is my front wheel hub, and I'm going to use this sensor here and the small rubber band. Simply going to put this up here. Make sure you put this rubber with the curvature in here, and don't forget to activate. Mine's already activated, and you're just going to simply loop one side of your rubber band through here, and sorry for that. So as you can see, this is done, and we're gonna go ahead and install my computer up on top. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see properly. Alright, so the default one, the way it works is, moving my bicycle closer. So this is the computer, and notice the these nubs on the side, and I have to basically put it this way so I could rotate and come my computer straight and locks it. And then obviously what you do is you take the rubber band here, make sure you run it through all these 4 loops that they give you, the mounting loops or back brackets, whatever you want to call them. It's a little hard with the rubber band getting stretched, so 3 covered so far, and it's simple as that. And then you just take your computer, you put on top and rotate it, and that's how you do it. So, but I'm not mounting on this one, I'm simply mounting on my existing one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply take this, put it here. That's all it is, guys. That was it for the installation. You simply just snap it on. It's fairly quick, and then you just download the app on your phone and configure the way you want to do it. I have mine set up in miles, and then with the app and all that, it connects to GPS, and you simply get rolling and ride away and enjoy your bike ride.